Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPhone XR mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using a pentalobe screwdriver. To remove the front screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side of the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, you need a good suction cup or something similar to create an opening. Here, we are using a double-sided suction cup with the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic car pry tool or triangle picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and remove the shield by undoing 3 screws. And then disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out both screen and earpiece connector shields by undoing 6 screws. Next, undo the screw and remove the bracket. And then disconnect the earpiece assembly plug and both LCD and touch connectors from the board. Next, take out the battery by peeling tapes out. There are 4 adhesive tabs, 2 on the top and 2 on the battery's bottom side. By using your fingers or tweezer, gently pull out the adhesive strips. Next, take out the not working battery and place a new battery in the body. Before securing the battery, first connect the screen and battery plugs to verify the working condition of the new battery. Once the testing has passed, remove the connect cables back. Next, secure the battery in the body by adding adhesive. Next, add the pre-cut word-seal adhesive into the frame. Please note, this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, connect the front screen to the body. Secure the LCD, touch, earpiece and battery plugs into the board. Ensure the connections are secured and then turn on the device for verification. Next, place all three shields and the bracket by adding screws. Next, to clamp up the phone, click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. And finalize the installation by adding the SIM tray and 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.